Today we're in Redlands, California to check out this 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. It's on 0.83 of an acre and it has orange grove in the front, orange grove in the back. House is kind of sandwiched in between the orange trees and it's very hard to see the house from the street, giving it a real nice private setting. We'll start off with the view from the street, then the front of the house, looking out toward the street, then we'll do the backyard, and then we'll get into the house. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a real estate agent at eXp Realty, Southern California. All my contact information is in the description below. Feel free to reach out with any questions whatsoever real estate related.